Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So while exploring Glif.App, I stumbled upon this absolute gem of a tool called Snap Machine, a Snapchat parody image creator. And let me tell you, this thing didn't just grab my attention, it completely made my day. This tool is like a meme factory on steroids, combining funny captions with AI-generated images. Seriously, the creations are so hilarious, they might just leave you in splits. Just look at the names I've tried so far: Vladimir Putin, Elon Musk, Donald Trump, Messi, Ronaldo, Taylor Swift, and KSI. The captions? Oh, they're chef's kiss level funny. Let me show you how this works and share some absolutely crazy ideas for you to try. How Snap Machine works. So here's how it works. There are two simple input fields: what person and what are they doing. You just type in the person's name in the first box, then describe the scenario in the second box, and voila. Snap Machine generates a hilarious image with a fitting caption. It's like giving your imagination the ultimate AI-powered meme tool. Let me share some ridiculous ideas you can try. Donald Trump baking a cake for KSI's birthday. Elon Musk fixing a rocket with duct tape. Messi and Neymar taking a pottery class together. Taylor Swift judging a dog fashion show. Vladimir Putin competing in a TikTok dance battle. Kim Kardashian driving a monster truck through New York City. Ronaldo playing cricket in a tutu. Mr. Beast trying to fit inside a vending machine. Tom Cruise parachuting into a cooking show. Queen Elizabeth DJing at Coachella. The possibilities are endless. Seriously, go as wild as you want because this tool is designed to turn the absurd into comedic gold. I can't get enough of this tool, it's just too much fun. This is the kind of chaos the internet needs, and Glif.App Snap Machine delivers in style. Stay tuned, because I'll be covering more crazy tools from Glif.App in upcoming videos. Trust me, one day isn't enough to explore everything this platform has to offer. If you enjoyed this video and want more wild content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support keeps this channel alive and thriving. Thanks for watching, and remember, go crazy but stay responsible with those Snap Machine creations. See you in the next one.